Hi. So now that we have seen a lot of things via ChatGPT prompt, so now in this section, I'll tell you how you can create a resume, a CV via ChatGPT. Okay. So let me write a heading first. How ChatGPT can write your resume. Okay. You can use the chat gpt like a career coach or a personal writer. Okay. So that it can help you to tailor your resume for the specific job what actually you are looking for. Okay. Look, first, what you need to do, because if you will write directly here, create a resume for me or create a resume for this and this, then it will give you a specific, a standard result, okay, for all. But I want to tell you how you can refine it. Okay, so what something you need to consider is the first thing is actually okay. First, you should gather your information. Okay, for starting, actually, you must have all the important information available to you, like the contact information, okay, your education, your work experience, your skills, or the other notable achievements. Okay, this all you need to gather first. Let me write it also, like education, okay, your work experience, or your skill sets, or if you have some achievements, then also you should write this. Okay. And the last thing is your contact information. Okay. First, note down all these things, and then what you can do, you can define your goal. Second is actually defining goal. So here, what is the meaning of defining goal? Look, as ChatGPT can help you tailoring your resume for the specific job what actually you are looking for, you should set one or more type of job as your goal. Okay, and let ChatGPT customize your resume. For example, give the ChatGPT at least two options. Okay, like just suppose if you want to become a graphic designer. Okay, I apologize for my spelling. Okay, graphic designer, this is correct. And as compared to graphic designer, there you can also apply for an art teacher, because an art teacher is also a graphic designer, right? So now what you have given here, you have given ChatGPT total two goals. Okay, so that ChatGPT can customize your resume according to this, because the responsibility of these graphic designer and art teacher is almost same. Art teacher is basically on a physical side, graphic designer is basically on the digital side. Understood? So now let's write it all these things in ChatGPT. First, let me write something. Create a resume for me. Okay, a simple one. Let's say my name is Sharad Khare. Okay, I'm graduated, let's say, in 2022, let's say. Okay, I'm not graduated in 2022, but still okay, from, let's say, the University of Nico. Okay, and let's say it is in US, or wherever you want you can give. Okay, then comma, and then with a master degree. Now we are doing everything specific, okay, in arts. Understood? Then I can give some experience also. So let it be 2020 or let it be 2014, okay, because for experience you need some time after graduation. So now completed an extensive internship, okay, with any company like data sil dot llc, okay. And where I was the head promoter over, okay, and head of design, let's say, okay. And in addition, you need to brief everything. I led let's say a large group, let's say for showing something you need an exhibition called, let's say, give some name, let's say saving the art world, okay, just a random name, and in the time of 2021, let's say, okay. Now full stop. And then I think most of the things are now specified because I have written everything specific over here. So now let's instruct the ChatGPT that can you create a new resume emphasizing IZING. I think this is a good spelling. My, let's say, education, my skills. I have given something, but the ChatGPT can give the skills as per his knowledge, okay, and experience. Question mark, because this is a question. And right now, okay, so emphasizing my education skill and experience, what we can give, I just want to refine it, okay. That's the reason I'm writing this much, so that you could understand. I am also trained and proficient, proficient, in arts. Teacher can do what? It can paint, right? Painting, drawing. Graphic designer can also do drawing, and graphical design for designer, okay. And let me give some portfolio also. My portfolio is available at let's say sharad.xyz.com, okay. Portfolio spelling is wrong, portfolio, okay. Promoter spelling is wrong, promoter, okay. Okay, now let me give some contact information also, because this is the email ID, means address. So contact information, okay. I want to know one thing. If you want to run or write it in another line, So then don't just press enter. Okay, press enter with shift key. Shift and enter will gives you a new line. Okay, most of the people don't know this, so I am telling you. Contact information. Okay, so I want to write it here only. So the contact information, mm, let's say first we will give email. Email is, let's say, um, Sharad at the rate xyz.com. Okay, and then you can give your phone number. Phone number is, let's say, 555, then 959595 something. Okay, then full stop. And we have not given any soft skill, so I also have experience with tough negotiation skills, skill skills, and I am physically active also, and have a no, this is sufficient. This is sufficient. Okay, so now what you can write: I am looking for a job as a graphical designer. Okay, and if you need any more information, to continue, this what I am instructing to ChatGPT. Okay, because I have given all those things here, means my overall experience for resume, and this thing actually I am giving for ChatGPT, so that if ChatGPT need any more information to continue, then he can ask me. That's it. Okay, so I think we have covered all the part. What we have seen, I wrote here: education, work experience, skills, our achievement, contact info. Okay, and then I defined a goal, right? So you can see all these things in this paragraph what we are giving to ChatGPT. CREATE. Remember one thing: don't write wrong spellings. Okay, because I am continue concentrating on the teaching part, so I apologize for my wrong spelling if something is there. So okay, so now let's run it. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Okay, great. Let it complete. Let it be completed first. Okay, then I'll tell you what to do next. Okay, now let's see what he has given us. First, the name Sharat Khare. Okay, graphic designer and artist. Email this and this. Phone number and portfolio will be this. Okay, now ChatGPT has given a summary part as per my request. Highly skilled and creative graphic designer with a master's degree in arts from University of Nico, adapting at painting, drawing and graphical design, with a successful track record in leading design project and organizing large group exhibitions. Great. These are all those keywords which we have given. Okay, you can continue seek education. Okay, professional experience. This is occupation, the internship, and this is the responsibility. Okay, ChatGPT has mentioned from his own knowledge, developed innovative designs, and it is already related to design because I am ChatGPT is treating me as a graphical designer. Okay, now this is a volunteer type of work also, means extra achievement, and the details of that extra achievements. Okay, now the skill part, a skill is there. Okay, skill, Photoshop, strategy and design. Here what you can do, you can edit. If you don't know some software, then you can edit, you can do anything with it. Okay, portfolio and some additional information you can give, and even some references which is available upon your request. And what he have written at last, please note that this resume is a general template and you may want to tailor it further to fit a specific job application of preferences. Make sure to update the resume with accurate information and details before submitting it to the potential employer. That's what I am talking about. Okay, just go above, okay, and then copy it from here and then paste it to the word format and create it. Or if you have some specific template for your resume, then you can take the details from here and then paste it. Okay, so this is a basic concept of resume making. You need to give everything specific and write it in a specific format also, so that a chat GPT can understand like a child. Okay, so if you want to do something more, then try to create a teaching job or a teacher. Okay, then you will, means I want you to take down some practice part also. Try to create your resume, your specific requirement like this way, write it down, and then define your goal, what you want to be, what type of job you want, and then give it to ChatGPT and it will give you the good output. Understood? So hope you guys understood this topic. Okay, if you have any confusion, let me know via the comment section. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Okay, so that's now for this section. I'll see you in the next chapter. Bye bye.